Hello, so welcome to my channel. So this video is going to be showing you an old technique. It's gone out of fashion a little bit, but it's got some really good pros, and that is the trenching method. So this patch is going to be for winter onions and garlic. So that is my cover, so it's just going to be moved over to there to protect the onions. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be starting the trench, and it's going to be a two spades depth, so it's going to be quite deep. But the reason for that is because I want to bring the yellow clay, the good stuff, to the surface, and I want to get rid of my waste. So I've got a lot of sweet corn, sweet potatoes and sunflowers I want to get rid of, so I'm going to be putting those in the trenches as well. So I'm going to start in over there, dig a deep trench, barrow it over to here. So I'm going to put all that soil there, waiting for the end trench to be ready, and then I'm just going to work along, so each trench will be filled with the next layer. So let's get on with it. Oh, so that's the first trench dug. Who doesn't love a good trench? And look down there, you've got all that beautiful yellow clay that's now been brought to surface over there, and that's what's going to happen. So you're going to have all this lovely fertile soil, and it's going to help create loam, which is a brilliant growing medium. So yeah, in this trench now, I'm just putting some of this waste. So there's lots of like blighty tomatoes over there, don't matter, that can go in the soil. And yeah, so I'm going to get these trenches filled, work my way along, get some exercise. So, all done, as you can see. That's some good graft. And it only took me about 3 hours, really. Yeah, quite tired now. But I don't know if you can see. I'm going to put you off here, go down. So, as you can see, this is the stuff I want to the surface. Beautiful clay, and that now mixed with the topsoil and other organic matter I had in there to create the loam. So brilliant, job done. Right, well, I'm going to have a rest, let the soil rest as well, and then we'll get the onions in next week. Cheerio. So this is another method I do, which is green manure. So when I took out the sweet corn and beans, I roughly dug it and then sowed Phacelia. So you can see now it's a beautiful carpet of green manure doing all the work for me. So in spring I shall dig it all in, and it will add matter to the soil, and it's also suppressing weeds at the moment. So job's a good one.